Okay, welcome. In this video we are going to learn how to paste the cells while skipping the blanks. You have very small scenario that you have presented the salaries of different employees to your boss, or in case you have something different scenario similar to the same situation, similar to this situation. But what you have to do is actually you have presented the numbers, these are the salaries numbers, and the other person has put in some revised numbers in the next column, similarly to this situation. You have to do actually is update these numbers while skipping these blanks, because there is no change is in these numbers. There are a lot of techniques you can use, if function, you can use different formulas, but we are going to learn very simple and quick tip. So what you have to do, you have to copy this whole range. For example, just control C, go to this cell here, in this paste special here, paste special, paste values, and check this skip blanks. Okay, and boom, you have updated numbers. Thank you.